Alright guys, we're going to pull the leg off the old motor here. This boat hasn't run for about, working out about 8 or 9 years. So first thing I'm going to have to do is look at fixing the impeller on the pump. The rubber will be perished for sure. So alright, let's get into it. You're going to need a 14mm ringy to get to these bolts. Tap if you've got just to get them undone. There's only a short ring spanner. Loosen these all off. There's another one. You need a skinny socket to get in here, 12mm. Virtually the same size bolt. It's on my 80 horse. Alright, got him out without dropping him in there. Oh, I've already taken, there's a rubber bung that sits on it there. You just grab it, pull it out. Pretty simple. Yeah, I can't remember, there's another bolt somewhere. There might be one up under here. Yeah, there's another bolt here. That's your anode. That bolt I've just pulled out. We've got another. Been a lot of years since I've changed this. we've got to do is hope it all pops apart. They're all loose, I won't undo them right off now, it's falling on my foot. Yeah, you can see that's starting to drop down. So the gap starting to form in here. Let's get these other bolts out. It's good to know this if you're out somewhere. You've got a spare impeller and you get stuck. You do an impeller. Won't give you enough room to get a socket in on these. Well, one more thing you've got to get off, pull off. Just pop your little air hose for you. That's your speedo. If you ever get a blockage, you can always get in there and blow that back the other way. There's a little hole there for your speedo. If you ever get a problem with your speedo not working, just get a bit of wood, something like that up in there. Let's just hope the shaft's not jammed. There you go, guys. That didn't take that long to get it out. Your impeller's in here. I haven't got one on me. I just thought I'd get this out. The boat hasn't run for years. So first thing I'm going to do is change the impeller, change the oil, put some fresh oil in the gearbox while I got it out. Might make it a bit easier. Then we're going to see if we can get this thing running. Got to put fresh fuel through it. I've got to pull the floor out of the boat, pull the fuel tank out, get the old fuel out, give it a good de-louse. So anyway, we'll leave it at that. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, we've got to look at replacing these cables. There's your accelerator and your gear shift. So basically, we're just going to come in here and just pull those pins off. Pins out with a pair of pliers. While you're there, I'll just that's that pin out. That's that pin out. As you can see, we've got the carburettors off at the moment. Put some fuel up to them, and all the bowls were buggered. There's fuel coming out everywhere, so I'm gonna give them a full service. That's just another little job we've got to do. There's only a couple of bolts to get them out. You got two on each there that just bolt through here that hold it. There's two bolts that come in onto this point off the airbox, and just a couple of wires to unplug, and then you just pull your fuel lines out. Just take them off your fuel pump round here. Alright, I've taken the little strainer out here. I'll have to give that a clean too. I'll give you a look at that when I'm putting it all back together. I didn't video pulling the carbies off, so I just thought I'd show you. I've got them over here. There's all the carbies here. I just took one of the bowls off. In here's the jet. The jet's all blocked. Completely blocked, one of the little jets. So that's a little strainer that come off the back of the, down the bottom of the engine there. Alright. Actually, I'm just going to just get me OH&S approved milk crate. I'm just going to pull the fuel filter off. I don't know whether I can undo it. I might have to get a clamp. Yeah, she's tight. Alright, that's got to come off. All these batteries have got to get replaced. They're all buggered. I've got a bit of cleaning to do inside. I've got a busted windscreen from a hailstorm. Get all these covers out, clean them. Pull the floor out. Pull the fuel tank out. De-louse it. I've got a little bit of work to do, but it should come up pretty good. I'll clean all these covers up. Put a new board on the bait board there. A little bit of work. Anyway, we'll leave it at that for the moment. Thanks, guys.